Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam slow disk usage. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, check your disk drives, okay? Maybe the drive right here that is used by Steam is almost full, okay? If you want to, you could go ahead and install games to other drives. If you don't know how to do it, I'll just go ahead and go to Steam right here at the top left, click on it, click on settings. Now go ahead and go to storage. And then here, just click on this drop down at the top. Okay, now just click on add a drive. Once done, go ahead and add in the drive that you wanted to include or where you wanted to install your newer games. Just click on add, and then once added, click on this drop down and find, okay, the new drive. And once that's done, you're going to click on the three dots and then just click on make default. Okay, click on it, and after that, install games, and it'll be downloaded into the new drive. If that's not what you wanted, well, just go ahead over to downloads right here. Make sure that limit download speed is disabled. Okay, disable it, and download region, make sure that it is the one that is closest to you. Okay, and by the way, if you have selected a new region right here, it will restart your Steam app. So just wait for it to open and just go back to settings right here. Download, scroll down and just click on clear download cache. Click on confirm. It will shut down your Steam app and it will just reopen eventually. So just wait for it. Log in with one of your accounts, close this one, and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, close Steam right here. Right click on Steam from your taskbar, exit. Now go ahead and find your search bar and type down indexing. Okay. And here we have indexing options. Click on it. Now click on modify right here. Make sure that your OS drive or where your games are installed is selected. Okay. So once that's done, just click on OK. Now go ahead and select your drive, for example, local disk C, and then just click on advanced. Here we have a new pop-up. Click on rebuild. Now rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete, so just click on OK. And it says here indexing in progress. Once it says completed right here, you can now then go ahead and close this one and then just restart your computer. Once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix Steam low disk usage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.